Hey YouTube, what's up? Ryan here from Tech Entertainment, here to show you how to install RAM in any iMac as long as it's mid-2010s or later or has the aluminum backing. So, first off, let's go ahead and look at this, about this Mac. As you can see right here, it says I'm running 4 gigabytes already. I've gone ahead and bought 8 more gigabytes, so I'm going to be installing that. And under the more info, when you go over here into memory, it shows you what is in each slot, and I am running Lion, but this will work with any other Mac OS X. So I've got 4 memory slots. Yeah, so I got two 2 gigabytes in here. I'm going to be installing 2 4 gigabytes right down in here. And alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is lay your iMac face down onto some sort of towel or soft surface as to not scratch the screen. And then what you want to do, you want to remove this panel on the bottom right underneath the stand. And you also want to unplug everything. So it's just the monitor pretty much, and computer I guess. And then you're going to want to make sure you don't have any static electricity on you, so just touch it, touch your hand to it, and also touch the screwdriver to it, and you should be good. So what you want to do, just unscrew this bottom panel here. Let me see if I can get it. May need a smaller screwdriver. Alright. So there's that one. Let's see if I got this one. And one more. There are only 3 screws. So, alright. So once you have that out, don't worry about the screws falling out, because they're just stuck in there. Alright, so what you're going to see are these 2 little, like, pull tabs. So you're going to want to pull those out. Mine's a little dusty. Alright, and if you're replacing your old RAM, you're going to want to just pull this tab until you hear a pop, and the top one will pop out, or bottom one if you have 2 installed in one area. And when you hear that click, you can just remove it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install these 2 4 gigabyte sticks of RAM that I have here. I'm going to go ahead and put them underneath. So all you want to do, put the short side on the right side of your Mac, on the right side of it when it's face down, just to be clear. So all you want to do, slide it in until you hear a click. Alright, it was kind of a very quiet click. I don't know if my mic picked it up, but once you hear that, you know you have it in right, and you gotta kind of force it a little bit. So let me go ahead and install my other one on the other side. So just slide it in, and alright, so now that that's done, you want to replace these pull tabs. So I'm going to just slide them in between. Doesn't matter where you put them in, but that's where I'm going to put mine. Alright, so now that you have that done, you're done. That's pretty much all you have to do. So let me just replace this panel here, and we'll show it up back on the computer. So let me just screw these back on. We'll boot it up. I may have put the panel on backwards. Nope, it's good. So all you want to do is just screw them in just enough to hold on the panel. And we'll go ahead and boot it right up. Alright, so now that I booted it up, I realized it went a little bit faster. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this. So about this Mac, it says I'm running 12 gigabytes now. So more info and memory. So right here, we got 2 gigabytes, and the new 2 4 gigabyte sticks are installed. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, this will work with a 21.5-inch iMac and a 27-inch iMac, as long as it's mid-2010 and later, or has the aluminum backing. I'm not quite sure when they started that. And, yeah, so that's pretty much it. So, make sure, one more thing, you use 1333 DDR3 memory for one of these Macs, because that is what they run, pretty much. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and check out our other stuff. And, yeah, I'll see you next time.